for a nice cold drink.
This is going to be so good. Shame you didn't get one.
Hey,
Yum.
can I have a bite? Science to the rescue. I bet you your ice cream that I can move water from this glass into that one without touching either.
I don't think so.
Put your popsicle where your mouth is then.
I'd like to see you fail first. The bet's on.
Right then. I'll just twist this piece of absorbent paper. This will do the job for me. Watch and weep, my friend.
There are thousands of tiny spaces in the fibre of the paper, and the water moves into them and advances along the twisted material.
Trees do the same thing. That's how water gets to the treetops. This movement is known as capillary action.
So that's how trees move water from their roots, up through tree trunks and into the leaves.
And look, what have we here? Water has moved from one glass to the other. Orange. My favorite.